there, YouTube, and we back with a whole nother banger. You know who it is, the D.Chanel and Quan show, you dig? So with that being said, today we got a special video for y'all, you know what I'm saying? We finna be doing the loaded lentil nachos, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? How that sound?
Delicious.
Now, we love nachos.
We love them.
I'm talking about we love nachos.
We love them.
You know what I'm saying? So we finna show y'all how to make the lentil nachos our way, one of our nacho styles that we do, you know what I'm saying? And so sit back, relax, hit that subscribe, like, jump in that comment section, come vibe with us one time, you did. Let's get right to it. First step, Miss Dan, beautiful D.Chanel, look at you popping. What's the first step today, man?
Okay, so first you're gonna get your potatoes.
Okay.
And you're gonna go ahead and put them into your steamer.
This is our steamer.
Steamer.
Yeah.
It's just a strainer with a little bit of water at the bottom, but not too much to where it touches the top of your steamer.
Gotcha.
So go ahead and put those in there. Alright, once you put those potatoes in there, go ahead and turn on your stove to medium high heat, and then you're gonna let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna reduce the heat, cover it up, and let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. You know
till it's tender.
Till it's tender.
Or at least till a fork can go.
Yes.
Open that bit.
Yes. Ooh, I think it's boiling. Go ahead, reduce the heat, and cover. Ooh.
Hot.
Woo. Alright, you guys, so we put the potatoes into the blender and let it cool for about 10 minutes. So now we just gonna So now we just gonna add in the rest of the ingredients. You got your milk, your lemon juice, your
Nutritional yeast.
Nutritional yeast. And then you got your seasonings, which is garlic powder, turmeric, and paprika.
There you go.
So adding everything. Alright, so now you're just gonna add in your pepper and sea salt just until you're liking.
Gonna pour that thing. Okay. Yeah, just a little bit, but you don't go too fast? Maybe we'll put a little bit more in. You sure? Are you sure?
Give it a believe. Alright, you guys, so now the cheese is all blended up. We're gonna work on our lentils. So you're just gonna put them in the bowl and then add your taco seasoning and mix it real good.
Ooh.
Next, you're just gonna place your chips into a little pan.
Just place it?
I mean, make it look pretty. I didn't say toss it, I said place.
That's pretty though.
I mean, it works too.
You said pretty. That's what you told me. Look how it goes. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful right there.
And if y'all want to see how we made these chips, it'll be somewhere up here. Okay. Anywho, you're gonna put in your lentil mixture.
Lentil mixture.
You want to do that?
How you want me to do it?
So next you're gonna add your Pico. And then add your cheese.
Look at that thing, man. Look at that thing. Hey. Hey, look at that thing, man. Look at that thing. Hey.
So now you're just gonna toss it in the oven for about 15 minutes.
Let ride.
Alright, you guys, so it's been 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and it's fresh out the oven. So this is what it looks like. I can't really touch it because it's hot. Put on the slippers. Look delish.
They do. I'm ready to eat.
Alright, so now we're just gonna plate them and go ahead and taste these bad boys.
You ready? Me and D.Chanel got done throwing the
Green onion and cilantro in there.
y'all that thing look fresh.
It do look good.
That thing look fresh, man. I can't wait to taste this thing. So let's just dive on in it. But before we do that, let's go ahead and end with that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like on the video and jump down that comment section. You know what I'm saying? Because this is the D.Chanel and Quan show, and we just came back with another banger. Once again, this is the loaded lentil nachos. You know what I'm saying? Y'all take it easy out there. Peace. Let's go ahead and dive in.
Trying to get a good one.
Ooh, that's that pressure right there. Ooh, I got everything right here.
So.
Oh, I'm trying to feed you. Ain't that something?
Oh.
Go ahead, bro. Quit playing. Come on.
How you gonna? Don't get up off me.
Hold on, man. Damn, man, back your finger up. You got the finger in my nacho. Come on.
That's so good. Like, smack my phone. Come here.